That's so good.
Hello everyone and welcome back to SeAnn Sweets. Today we are baking butterscotch buttons. These are a favorite of mine and we have 5 super basic ingredients and I'm really excited to share this super simple, super quick recipe with you today. So let's start. So into the mixer we are putting half a cup of firmly packed brown sugar. We are putting 1 teaspoon of vanilla essence, 125 grams of room temperature butter, and we are putting 1 tablespoon of golden syrup. And we're going to add our paddle attachment and blend until light and fluffy. As you can see, that is now light and fluffy, and it's time to add our 1 1/4 cups of self-raising flour. And we're going to mix that until combined. I absolutely love these biscuits. They are a moorish treat. Normally I would make at least a double, if not a triple batch. They run out of this house so quickly. But for today, I'm just making a single batch so that you can try them with me.
I'm SeAnn Pittman, creator of Stardust Cosmetics. Our makeup is sweat-proof, water-resistant, allergy and sensitive skin friendly, and is designed to withstand anything happening in your busy day. Now, let's get back to the video.
Just like that, our cookie dough is all ready to go and it looks absolutely amazing. And it's got that beautiful, soft, light, golden brown texture. The smell is just mouth-watering. So now what we're going to do is onto our 2 greased baking trays. We are going to roll these out and pop them in the oven, in a slow oven, so 170 degrees, for about 20 minutes until they've got that beautiful golden brown color. Now this is an absolute must for a baking hack. I have just discovered a cookie scoop. So this is gonna make this so much easier than a teaspoon and a set of scales. So it perfectly creates an even cookie size every single time. It's like an ice cream scoop, but smaller. Into here, we are just going to push it down until it's even, and we're done. How cute is that? So that is going to go straight onto our tray and we're going to rinse and repeat. So when I was a kid, my mum used to love to bake and I used to be sent away to school with homemade treats every day for morning tea, or pretty much every day. And I consider myself so super lucky that that was the case. For me, baking is heartwarming and it's showing those that you love, that you care, and that you're thinking of them no matter what their day entails. It is just my luck that there is some left in the bottom of the bowl. So that little last piece of cookie dough is for me. Even raw, this tastes good. Now that we've got our 2 trays of cookies, we are just going to fork them. Get your mind out of the gutters. We are just going to gently apply some pressure on the top of them. Let's get those in the oven. 20 minutes is up and the smell coming from these biscuits is just divine. Perfect, absolutely perfect. And there you have it, the perfect morning tea with a nice chai latte. Cheers. See you on the next one.